Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we're going to discuss about the organelles or what is inside a plant cell. Before this, you know that we discussed about the organelles of an animal cell. Now here we're going to see what are the organelles that present inside a plant cell. So here first we're going to see the objectives of the day. So you should know about, after this lesson you will be able to know about these things. So the objective of the lesson is here. Number 1. Inside a plant cell, cell wall, vacuole, chloroplasts. So these are the 4 objectives of the day. Now let's see on the textbook these organelles one by one. So you can see here the image of a plant cell. Here you can easily see this almost same organelles but little bit different. So the difference is here a cell wall and chloroplast, and you can easily see that a big vacuole. So now let's start the lesson. Plant cells have an additional outer covering around the outside of the cell. This layer is called the cell wall. The cell wall is stiff structure outside the cell membrane. It provides the plant cell with strength and extra support. So you can see here this inner line, it's the cell membrane. And outside of the cell membrane is the cell wall, or you can say that the outer boundary of the plant cell is cell wall. Now here about the vacuole, unlike animal cells, plant cells usually have one large central vacuole. When you're going to see the animal cells like here you can see more than one but small vacuoles. But in the case of plant cell, you can observe here one but a large vacuole. Okay. The last organelle that present in plant cell, that is chloroplast. Plants make their own food in structures inside their cell called chloroplast. A chloroplast is a green structure where the energy from sunlight is used to produce food for the plant. Chloroplasts are green because they contain a chemical called chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is able to use the energy in sunlight. Actually, these are the organelles where a plant can make its own food with the help of sunlight, or you can say that in the presence of sunlight, because sunlight provide energy to these organelles and then plant become able to produce its food. Many plant cells are green because of the chlorophyll.